Hey there YouTube, good afternoon. I'm in the bathroom today. I got one of these Moen Magnetix shower head assemblies. It includes a stationary large shower head and a handheld shower head with a hose. And the great thing about this is it's got a magnetic dock up here, and you press this against the magnetic dock, and that's what hangs your shower head. You just take this and go like that. And last week I had a dilemma. This handheld shower head assembly, the front broke off. And I tried looking online for just a replacement handheld shower head from Moen, but I couldn't find anything. And I also searched on eBay in the second-hand market, and they didn't have anything either. So I had a dilemma. I tried to install a different brand of shower head, but once I installed it, I wasn't too happy about it. I like the magnetic system better. You just go like that. And since I have no proof of purchase, I was kind of screwed. If I had proof of purchase, I probably could get a new part through Moen. You know, buy it for looks, buy it for life. But I got no proof of purchase. So, I will show you what I came up with as a solution. Well, this is the solution I came up with. Over the weekend I went to my local Menards store and I picked up this Moen Magnetix basic handheld shower head kit for $42. It includes the handheld shower head, which I need, a hose, and the dock and diverter valve assembly, which attaches to your shower spigot. The dock and diverter valve assembly I'm not going to need. The hose I'm not going to need. Basically, I'm just going to use the handheld shower head portion of the kit. This is the same exact shower head as the one that broke. The only difference is on the handle. This one does not have an on and off switch when the old one does. I really don't need that on and off switch because on the stationary shower head there's a diverter valve that switches in between the stationary shower head and the handheld shower head. So I really don't need that on and off switch on the handle. But this is the same exact shower head that I need, other than it missing the on and off switch. And buying this, now I got proof of purchase. In the future, if this shower head breaks, I'll just contact Moen and possibly show them my proof of purchase and maybe get a new part. Who knows? Well, here's what the contents look like with the package opened. I'm not going to need this dock and diverter valve assembly. I'm not going to need the hose. I'm not going to need the instructions or the box. All I really need is the shower head portion of the kit, and this is the new shower head that came with the kit. After opening up the package, I discovered that the bodies of the shower heads, the new one compared to the old one, are different. The new one has a totally different design body versus the old one, which was more sleek. But as long as both shower heads have the same matching magnetic seat for the dock, that's all that matters. And as long as the threads are matching for the hose, that's all that matters. And to install your new handheld shower head, unscrew the hose from the old head and screw on the new one. And before you screw on the new one, make sure you got your black washer, rubber washer, inside your hose. Well, the new shower head is installed on the hose, and let's give her a test. Fits perfectly onto the dock. I'll turn on the water. And I'll hit the shower portion. And here's the diverter valve. perfect. Works awesome. And if you have the same problem that I had, now you could possibly replace your handheld shower head